honey.
Hey y'all, I feel like I haven't picked up the camera in a minute. That's because I've been trying to thrive and survive. Okay. You just go 0 to 100. What about this, Patsy? Come on. We're trying out some new pacifier. Okay. Oh, you like this one. Here you go. Here you go. Justice is getting a haircut today. Say yay!
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 Oh. Oh.
Okay. He's really gassy. I have to probably switch up things that I'm eating, but I don't really eat a whole bunch of things that would cause gas like that. What the doctor said is he has a lot of gas because of his tongue tie, huh? Okay, you have to sit down at the table and eat it, okay? Do you need help opening it? What color is it?
Red.
Oh, Lord. Okay. Go get an orange one. Here, go put it back. Go get an orange one. Because his tongue tie, he's swallowing air, so it makes him really gassy. So hopefully once we get that resolved, you know, he'll be getting less gas when he eats. I know that's what helped Justice a lot. But yeah. Overall, you got another one? Let's see what color that one is.
Orange.
How do you know? It looks like it's. Let's see. I don't know why they don't put the name of the colors outside the bag, so we don't even got to play this. Oh, you're right. It is orange. Here. Okay, go close the freezer and sit down at the table. Mentally, I'm good. Physically, I'm good. My body is feeling back to normal more and more every day. So appreciative because I was in the trenches. But I still have to take my time. Yep, but mommy said, what did I say? Sit in the kitchen. Sit at the table. You can still watch TV. Sit right there. See? Sit in that chair. Right there. Right there, just to sit down at the... Okay. So I have to take things little by little. Cause my pubic bone, man, I still feel like I'm open. I mean, I know I'm open, but I feel like my bones are still open, you know? Each baby is truly different. It doesn't matter how many kids you have, each experience is going to be different. So don't think that you got it all in the bag. Cause them babies will send you oh, you thought you had it? You was gonna be comfortable? Anyways, today is, I don't even know if I said that, but today is the 18th. Tomorrow TikTok is supposed to be getting banned, and I'm really sad about that. But I hope a lot of you are here from TikTok, because I'm sad about leaving all my friends and all of us disconnecting. I'm just rambling because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything but a Nutri-Grain bar and a couple crackers. It's 1 o'clock. I've already breastfed what feels like 10 times today. Not really getting any sleep because he's gassy. But I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Yes, I'm blessed. And rambling. So, why are you in here with that popsicle? Go back in the kitchen at the table. Justice, go back to the table. Alright, y'all. I think he's asleep. I'm gonna lay him down. Lay your body down. That is not appropriate to be singing. Alright, let me go back. Let me give you something to eat, because obviously I'm delirious. Okay, so we have washed and blow dried half of her hair. We're at the, well, not half, more than half. We're at the top now. Just taking my time. And then we're going to take a little break so I can feed the baby. And then we're going to flat iron it. Okay, didn't show y'all, but I ended up finishing Kenny's hair. And now it's just me, Justice, and baby brother.
I just said the baby's water and a diet. I just said, wow, diet.
So waiting on his pizza, and Dad took them to a birthday party. Yeah, Dad took them to a birthday party, and they sleeping out. They're sleeping at my mom's house this week, and they're going to go visit her. Yep, we're gonna have your birthday party one day too. And Daddy got me some fruit. Watch how quickly I go through this. I got some pineapples, cantaloupe, and the way, because I ran through them oranges so quickly, he got me a whole bag of oranges this time. So I'm about to put some of those in the refrigerator because I love a cold orange. But I'll be running through this fruit, y'all. You want some of this?
No.
Mm.
I don't want pizza.
You want pizza? Okay. So, good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today is post TikTok ban. It is Sunday, January 19th. It is 8:48 in the morning. Justice came in our room. He's been watching TV, and he turned over and requested that I make him some pancakes. Tell the dog. Come in your mouth. Come say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning. My turn.
What's mommy about to make
Good
you?
morning.
Is mommy about to make you some pancakes? Mm-hmm. That's what you said you wanted. I hope baby brother I'm scared. I got cookies and fruit. Oh, I see. It's a teddy bear.
It's baby bear. It's Papa Bear.
It's Papa Bear?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Kasida. Go eyes. Get eyes. Eye.
What is happening?
Hey! Yeah. Oh. Oh. Papa Bear is doing.
Hmm? Is Kelsey's bear?
No,
Yes. Oh, Lord.
it's
What are
my
you doing?
bear.
It is not your bear.
Baby. I have you, mommy.
You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
Hold on.
Mommy.
Hmm?
There's Poppy here.
What's that, what?
Here's Papa. Here's Papa.
Baba?
This one.
It's okay.
This one.
Don't do that.
Better down.
Uh-huh.
Better down.
Why can't I do this?
I got you, Mommy.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let mommy put baby brother down so I can figure this out real quick, okay? Can you give me a second?
This one.
Hmm?
This one.
Hold on, I have this, okay? Hey, thank you. Let go, that's not where it goes, okay? That's not where it goes. I'm trying to tell you, okay? Oh, there we go.
Mommy.
Huh?
This one is here.
Okay. Wait, Papa, you hungry? Oh, Lord.
Mommy.
Huh?
I like this one.
What time is it?
I like this one.
Literally time for him to eat. Okay.
Mommy.
What, baby? Y'all, it's me thinking I was about to make pancakes, and there ain't no pancakes here. And then I don't have TikTok to figure out how to make pancakes from scratch. Now I gotta Google. You wanna watch TV? Get the remote right there. Let me nurse him and then figure out this pancake situation. What you wanna watch?
Photoshoot.
Paw Patrol?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
My Photoshoot in my room.
You wanna watch Paw Patrol in your room? I'm not going back upstairs. You gotta watch Paw Patrol down here. Okay?
Oh no.
I ain't even brushed my teeth yet. Alright, y'all, let me call y'all back. Y'all. First of all, hey, welcome to the new vlog. This boy, I'm walking around the house in my nursing bra, and my husband's talking about go put a shirt on, because there's somebody outside. What's going on? Oh, it's Stinky. Hold on, let me calm him down. Let me call y'all back. Y'all, not. I got a new truck. They just delivered it. Just what I had to put a shirt on for. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. And what I do love that Cadillac did is for the 2025, they did like the refresh.
He got us some Vove. The best. Never had a car delivered. Thanks, Daddy. Hey, you guys, and happy Monday. I don't know what today's day is. I gotta look. 25th, 26th, 27th. Today's 27th. I've been terrible with picking up the camera. But today we are doing something exciting. We are taking Jet's newborn pictures. Randy is here now setting up, so I'm going to show you guys that. Jet is upstairs sleeping, taking a nap with Zaddy. And yeah, so I'm going to show y'all a behind the scenes, and I'll call you back. Is there another plug? So cute, little football field. I can't. This weekend, I'm like,
Yeah, I can't. This is too. It's not that cold today.
Yeah.
But I hate it.
Me too. I'm not a little bit of cold. And he's from Buffalo, so he's like, oh, this ain't nothing. I'm like, this is a lot for me. Okay? I'll freeze it.
No, everybody from up north feel like, y'all tripping.
Yeah.
Like, my client actually so happened had a client from New York that when it was snowing. Girl, you used to this, not me. Like, she's like, everybody just tripping. It's just a little bit of snow.
It's like, we not built for this. We don't know how to drive in this. We don't have the tires.
Girl, next week, what time? Cause I'm not. They home with me. I'm like, girl, you know.
Yeah. My kids do not like the cold at all.
My youngest one, that's the one. I'm telling you, she got something to say. Like, I'm just as cold as you.
Yeah. But she, I don't know what it is. She don't like wearing her coat. One second. She's like, I'm not that hot. I'm okay. I'm not that cold. I'm like, girl, you gonna be sick.
Girl.
It's 12 degrees outside. You're gonna be cute.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
She wanna be cute. I say, she be for real. She's like, I mean, my hands are cold. Like, I know.
On a snow day, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
She was like, I think it's gonna fall off. The baby, because they was all playing in the neighbor's backyard on a snow day. And Justice, he left them and walked home himself and said, it's too cold. He said, I got on one coat, 2 coats. I'm ready to come home.
That was Aiko. She was like, can I go back in the house? And I was like, just hold on, because I had took the box tops off of my plastic bin. I'm like, yeah, y'all go right down the hill. Like, that's what we used to do back then.
Yeah, sled.
Get the top, yeah.
I am hollering.
She was not with the top business. She was like, I need to go in the house.
It was a good idea.
Yeah, but it was fun. It was cool. Like, it was real quick, small, you know? Just enough.
Yeah. I can't believe that people were scooping the snow up and eating it.
Girl.
As snowballs.
First of all, that was mine too. I'm like, stop, you're gonna be sick. She don't want to hear none of that. She don't want to, but that's crazy. They was really making the snowballs.
No, snowballs with the syrup.
And yes.
I was like, what? That little acrylic chair is too cute.
Girl, that's what I had to go back and get. This thing is my little go-to. I can rip this up.
Yeah, girl. It ain't going nowhere.
This chair was $600.
What?
Yep. And they don't make them anymore. It was like a small business.
What?
This lady and her husband used to, yeah, girl.
I'm-
This lady and her husband used to make them, hand make them. And I messed it up because I got spray paint on it. And I tried to-
$600.
Yeah.
So she's gonna change him and give him the bottle. I gotta whisper because he'll hear my voice and wake up. Let me know if you need more wipes if he boo boo. Did he boo boo? Okay. So I gotta stay far away because he'll smell me and hear me. But look at this little setup. It's so cute. Oh, you go. Some kids.
Oh,
I'm like, God dog it.
that's the only thing. They go to school and be everybody.
Yes, and I be having them like as soon as they come home, I had them drop their clothes and go in the shower. That little one though, he comes in and does what he want to do.
He said, my baby. I need you to work. Yeah, you gonna look. Yeah, you gonna be 12 pounds next week, baby. I love you just like
I know, they so cute.
good healthy baby.
So I had to warm up some more milk because he's still hungry. I I didn't realize he was eating more than 3 ounces. So I'm defrosting another little 2-ounce bag for him to eat so he can go back to sleep.
That's because you're going to be that long. Okay. When they're asleep. When they do that, smiling and eye rolling, they ain't asleep. They in a little like cat nap. I just now, when I took the bottle off, he was knocked out. And then when I put him down, he did that little. He got me in the neck for real. I thought we were done. Like, I thought he was gonna be napping. But when I seen him start rolling his eyes, that's when I was like, I didn't even grab my camera. I kind of pay attention to their breathing and it's like how they move to know when they're really sleeping. It was. I know he's sleepy though. And you're fighting. You gotta be after them bottles. You gotta be tired. Big teddy bear. He's so sweet.
Thank you. Okay, his photo shoot went so good. So now I'm just making dinner. Dad went to go pick up Kelsey and Justice. Kinsley went to her friend's house because they're filming something for a tech competition. And yeah, so she walks home with her friends and she'll be dropped off soon. What else? I'm making marry me soup, something easy. I'm about to start that now. About to cut up and season the chicken. And yeah. I'm tired. I really didn't get any sleep last night. We were up with the baby with this congestion, and then on top of that, daddy's bills did not win for the game. But tonight we're going to bed early, and he's taking first shift as he does. He usually he gets the baby the first half of the night, and then I get him the second half of the night. So we kind of take turns in that way. So I'm going to bed early tonight. That's why I want to go ahead and get dinner done, spend some time with the kids, do homework, give hugs, kiddos, read a book, and go to bed. So yeah. All right, let me cut up this chicken and I'll call y'all back.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie with him. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself, guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. Girl went to bed after I made dinner. Ate dinner in bed. My husband was like, just bring the food upstairs. We can eat in the bed and then you just go to bed after. So he cleaned up everything else that was left, like the food and stuff. So knocked out. I'm so thankful that he does stuff like that. Because baby, I was tired. Okay, so I'm about to make me something to eat, clean up down here, and then go upstairs and edit. It's taking me forever to edit this labor vlog because I filmed so much and I'm having to cut down so much. I need to take these nails off and give me some press-ons because I have some content that I need to film for a brand that I have to turn in Friday. They just sent me that due date, so I gotta get myself together, okay? So, yeah, let me make me some breakfast and I will call y'all back once I'm done. The baby is upstairs sleeping. So, especially when I have him sleeping on his tummy, I like to watch him like a hog. So I just keep my phone like this. But the Nana is really good. I'm actually obsessed with this camera. So mind the mess. Newborn trenches is still in effect, okay? All right, bye.
Hey guys, back with another vlog. I'm on the way to my tech competition. I can't believe it's here because it's been time goes slow but also so fast at the same time. I'm so excited but also nervous. I'm watching the Colagar sisters. Love them very much. And yeah, I'm going to call you guys back once we get there.
Hey guys, and happy Saturday. It is February 1st and Big Mama is out doing mommy things. It is me and Kelsey, not me and Kelsey, child, new baby brain. Me and Kenny, we are going to her tech competition today. Are you excited? Yes. So Dad has Kelsey, Dad has everybody else. So we're going to the tech competition and then I'm going back home to go get Kelsey and Justice, and we're gonna go to Kylie's birthday party, and then Justice and Kelsey are going to spend the night over there. May go over there to play with Kylie's little brother Brayden. But we outside today. We're outside. I'm so excited to be able to be running around and do mommy things. We are a month in. I'm still gonna take my time. I'm still gonna pump on the go. I just fed the baby before leaving. So he's good to go for a good hour and a half, 2 hours while we're gone. I'm gonna come back, feed him again, and then go to the birthday party, and then I'm gonna take my portable pumps with me, excuse me, whenever I go to the birthday party, because that's probably gonna be a little longer. But yeah, all right, we will call y'all back once we get to the tech competition. Bye. Mini me.
Okay, guys. So it's currently the aftermath, and we're in the car. I think we did like pretty okay. It's just like, I don't know, like, 'cause they were looking at us weird, like, but overall, I think I did okay.
You did great. And you should say that you did great. Y'all worked really hard on that.
Yeah, I know. Like, me and Ava were like, well, this is Ava's word, but like, me and her were like so confuzzled. Just
What? What's the word?
confuzzled.
Compuzzled?
Never mind. Anyways, we were just like, yeah.
You have to think about
Okay, so like, we went in and like, we were sitting up, and we had to like fix everything because we didn't want it to be off-centered. It was like, and then we went in, and the judges came in, and then she was talking about, cause and thingy thing, they were talking about where like you have to argue or whatever for the thing, and so
you had to do what?
we have to argue. And the thing, and they're like, girl, don't ever do that to her, ever. Like, yeah. Stuff like that.
Okay.
So, I'll call you guys back in a second, so.
I'm about to pick up one of Kylie's birthday gifts. I got her, oh, there's a Lululemon bag. It's a little pat down here. Oh, they have a face in here? Oh, I like it. Facial studio. Oh, they got a lot of little stores in here.
There's Sephora! Can I go get an eyelash curler?
Girl, you don't need an eyelash curler.
Yes, I do. My eyelashes.
You don't.
They keep on falling. I need an eyelash curl and a comb.
Girl, leave me alone. You do not.
Alright.
Okay, y'all, let me find a parking spot and then I'll call y'all back. We got Dad's favorite cupcakes. Look who's home.
With glass.
It's Daddy. No, it's Daddy's birthday.
They're gonna help me not be blind. Yes, I did actually.
You think he's so slick?
I think you slick. I got something for him.
What?
Okay. All right, buddy. It's Daddy's birthday. Okay.
Here we go.
Justice, don't do it.
Okay, just hold it still right there, okay?
Hey, Auntie Jasmine.
Hi.
I got glasses.
You did?
Is that?
Okay. I got spongy.
Okay.
Life for 4 kids.
Let Kenny hold it so it's a
Very cool.
steady hand, please.
I want to steady hand so I don't go blind.
Whoa, it's Daddy's birthday.
I
Okay,
see.
you got to sit back, buddy. Yes. Okay. So you're so dramatic.
I thought I was dramatic.
Girl, you still are.
I see you in my glasses.
Justice, I ain't seen you in a minute.
You're at Kiana's house.
Let me see it real quick. Let's see. Turn the camera.
Baby boy.
Who's glasses you got on, Kelsey?
Hey, baby brother.
Don't turn blind.
No.
Let Kelsey
All
hold
right.
it.
You ready?
Stop.
Justice.
Justice, stop. Let Kelsey hold it. Okay.
Hey, sir, can you stand right here, please?
Daddy.
What? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday,
I got
baby.
first bite.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
Nobody's getting first bite. I am.
Me? You want me to blow it out? Okay.
No, not yet.
You can blow out the other one.
Yay!
What?
Justice.
I told Justice to get wet
Casey,
with it
turn it
going
towards
out.
Dad. That's why you don't need to hold
Give
him
me
here.
No! No!
I'm right here.
What'd you say?
Okay.
I call first bite.
First, you gotta eat dinner
No.
or cakes. You say you want vanilla cake and also ice cream.
Vanilla. You kept saying vanilla.
Cake.
Huh?
You are such a birthday boy. I can't
What
wait
is
till
what?
this week is over. This boy.
He said he wanted vanilla cake, and basically vanilla is just covered. I don't know. He said he wanted vanilla and vanilla ice cream.
Hey y'all, and welcome to another vlog, another day, another vlog. We are on our way to the girls, to Kelsey's eye doctor appointment. She's been saying that, when she's in class, the board is kind of blurry. So we're about to go and check that out. And then afterwards, we're gonna go and get Justice from school. Me, Dad, and the baby have been in the bed all day. Just chillaxing, talking, joking, watching shows. So once the girls got home, waited like an hour for her appointment time to come, and then now we are headed there. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long. I haven't really been picking up the camera, but I'm gonna get better with that. I've just been going through the motions of being a mom of 4 now. So yeah. Alright, let me call y'all back.
So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has